So we breathe into that thought as we prepare for meditation. And we just allow ourselves to get comfortable right where we are. And our meditation today is going to be from the book by Jeff Foster, The Deepest Acceptance. It's an invitation to look inward. So I invite you to just take a few deep breaths and close your eyes. Become fully comfortable right where you are. If you're here for the first time, we are in the middle of a book series, but you don't need to know anything about that in order to feel fully present this morning. So just take a few deep inhales and exhales. Remembering there is no place to go to get more God. All Godness exists right here, right now. Inhaling, exhaling. Inhaling and exhaling. And together taking a deep community breath. Arriving fully and completely right here and right now. Letting go of any thinking that might be drawing us to the past or into the future, and just asking that the breath and the focus on the breath bring us into this now moment. The invitation from Jeff Foster. He says, take a moment now to gently turn your attention to what it actually feels like to be you. By you, he said, I don't mean the thoughts and judgments about yourself that come and go, or the sensations and emotions that arise and fall throughout the day. I don't mean the images and pictures of your past, or the worries about your uncertain future. I am pointing to something that comes before all of that. I am pointing to the sense of just being you, simply you, here and now, a sense that has been here since you were a child. It's a very subtle but very alive feeling of presence that has never gone away. No matter what you have achieved, no matter what you have lost, no matter how many spiritual insights or experiences you've had. I'm not talking about you as a special state or experience. I'm not talking about a higher self or an awakened self or a very special version of the self, but a simple and very ordinary feeling of being you in this moment. I'm really pointing to something very, very simple indeed, too simple for the mind to comprehend. You already know who you really are. breathing into this space. We allow ourselves this experience in this now moment. Inhaling and exhaling into the silence. Gently, we bring our attention and our intention back to this moment. in gratitude for this practice. Namaste.